So guys, welcome to Ignite India. Remember that at the end of the session, Krishna sir will be coming in to do few announcements for the future classes for the next 2 months. Also, today's session is on toy and game design. Please keep a notebook handy with all of you so that you can write down. I have shared the PDF which I'll be talking on today on the group as well. If you want to open it side by side and then you want to see it, that is also completely okay. If you can't see images on the screen, I'll be showing you a few videos and a few things that we'll talk about. So first topic, toy and game design, is very common and very important because it has come in a lot of questions in the previous year's exam pattern. Okay, 2018, 19, 17, 16, 14, every year toy and game design question has come. Remember that this thing, it's my favorite topic because you cannot do it without a concept. So you will have to draw, you will have to write, only then you can make the model. It's not like bag or headgear or space where you can, directly jump into making it. Okay, so this topic requires a lot of understanding of what you are into, and try to if this kind of question comes with an or option, choose this at the first place, because this shows how intuitive, conceptual wise or innovation wise you are strong. So unless you have no clue what you have to do, then choose the second. But if this question comes in option, I'm telling this only to the advanced batches, please choose this question. Okay. um, I'll be sharing my screen now and we'll start the topic. Let me know if it's visible. It's visible? Yes. Okay. Okay, so first I want to know what is the difference between toy and a game. Anyone? Unmute and talk. Toy and game difference. What is a toy? What is a game?
I'm guessing game is something that has a start and an end,
True. True. Yes,
and
that's
it
one
also
thing.
it it has a set of rules that need to
Yes.
be followed, that have to be played. But
Yes.
toy is mostly just an object that looks colorful, that appeals to children, and they can play with it however they want.
Yes. Ria has also written a game could be a board game, whereas a toy is a single object. Okay. Yeah. So this is somewhat close. So usually toy is a, it's a term used for the kids, right? Like, are you playing with a toy? Or, a toy has to be physical, correct, Tejaswini? It has to work in a certain way. The another main difference is toy can be played by one person, but a game has multiple players. Yes, like it has a number of players, 10, 11, 12, 5. A toy, of course, it's for an individual's need, and it has a special thing. So either it's toy or game, try to follow the process. It will help you a lot. Adults can also play games but not toys. Adults also have some adult toys, Aparna, but still, toy is more specific to an individual. I hope this doesn't go on YouTube, but still, Shivani, it's also a replica of something. Yes, it's a replica of something. So, toy can be animal centric, knowledge centric, and all. So let's move on with the class. So yeah, toy and game, they are a recreational object. You do it in your leisure time, you do it for educational purposes, you do it for different kinds of needs. For different age groups, we have different kinds of toys and games. Rubik cube, abacus, you have monopoly, you have dominoes. So many kinds of games are there around us which are designed in a certain pattern. Toy and game design, if you will look it into as a field, then in NID for masters, it's completely a different course. A lot of people go into it. And in bachelor's in NID, it is in your product design. Similarly, in NIFT, in product design, which is the course I did, lifestyle and accessory design, toy and design is a part of it. They teach you all of that. And visual games or interactive games, all this is taught. A quick note you can write down: if you will go to the NID website and see their toy and design course, you will get a lot of idea about what all innovations are happening across. Okay. So the first topic that we need to take today is toys for special needs. And I am taking this before anything else because this is the area you need to work on. As a designer, you need to think about the kids who are specially inclined, maybe ADHD, maybe, color blindness, or they are blind or deaf, or they have some need to, given them special attention. Those toys and games are more important in current scenario, and as a designer you need to work with it, you need to empathize with it. So if you will see the thing on the left, you can see how well that color thing is designed for people who are, less motion centric, or, sensory abilities are little less. So they try to, work in that kind of scenario. On the right side, you will see there's a kid who is, has some sensory disabilities, or, a color blindness. So they have created a blob like of structure that they can use while they are bathing, which, imitates sounds, or, imitates feelings or sensory things that the kid can enjoy with. um, Here, this one you will see is for toy for special needs, which is a wooden walker. So some people who have disabilities, or, we don't call them handicapped, with special needs, they can use it as a walker. They can use it, as a support to walk and play as well. And this is developing right now in India as a toy center. So these kind of things are what is required in the current scenario. So even when the question is very simple, that, make a toy or create a toy for a kid, try to work in this direction. Like, even if it's not mentioned, you need to mention that and put that in your design, that no, my toy will serve to all kinds of kids, it's not for only some few people of the society. Okay. um, See, this one, people who are handicapped or, special need, they have this certain kind of a spiral kind of a thing, or a half semicircle thing, where it's of their age, they can play with it, they can throw the ball from one side to the other side, and they can play in teams and still work out. On the right side, you will see a Rubik cube. See, there's a Rubik cube. It is specially designed for the blind, and, it has objects or textures which are coming out of it, so that the person knows how to mold it, how to shape it accordingly, or how to change its direction even without seeing it. So the topic, toys for special needs, is what you should pay attention to the most, and then comes the later part of it. Okay, so try to work on these concepts more, and try to think in this kind of sense, because, you will get full marks on socially relevant. You will, they will know that you are a designer who is needed in today's scenario, and think about these people who are around us and who need that help. So try to work on this concept more. Then we come to the second one, which is toys for educational purposes. So we all have seen these toys in our childhood currently, where, abacus, ABCD, colors, and, you try to remember the names of animals, fruits, tables. All these things are there, of course. So for educational purposes, when you create something, you need to keep in mind that so while the student or the kid is playing with it, it's fun, it's interactive, plus it should be educational. You will see a lot of apps right now, where there are apps where they tell you stories. You need to color carrot, you need to color a vegetable, and this, and you try to remember. So this is the second category of toys, which is for educational purposes. You will see on the left, there's a a gear kind of a Lego kind of a thing, where you understand the concept of gears, where, the one moves and the other moves. So in terms of science, maths, arts, humanities, English, how educational can you make a toy is also very important topic. um, when we move, let's move to the next one. Next one is toys inspired from nature. So this also can be a type of inspiration that you take from when a question comes. You will see on the right that, design and development center is developing this kind of a butterfly, where, the student can wear it, or the kid can wear it, and it comes with the virtual glasses. so they feel that they are in the nature, and they are made to do these hand exercises to keep them more functional, keep them, more, they exercise more, they are not lethargic, they are not lazy, they function properly. It gives them command to, wear and fly like a butterfly. So these kind of things work really good with kids as toys. On the left you will see like those helicopter drone kind of thing, where you get the knowledge of nature and produce these kind of toys which are made from animals, birds, and does different kinds of chirping or different kinds of visual things which are inspired from nature. This can be your third topic. Okay, so the first topic was toys for special needs. Very important. It will never be asked in the question, you have to make a toy for this blind person. No, you have to put it in. You have to show them that yes, you are planning to make a toy in that sense. Educational purposes toys have always been asked, but try to combine with it with your social needs one. And third is, of course, you get inspired from nature, and that will give you a different kind of idea to make toy and games. Now let's move on to my last thing, which is I have taken out few pictures, and now let's show you a few videos also here, where you will see few toys, and the heading is let's change the meaning of toys or game, which means that in 2020 right now, for the future, what designers are making are filled with innovation. You wouldn't have expected these kind of innovations which are coming up, and I'm sure when you will see them, you will also get inspired. So try to work in this direction. Now this is a question for everyone. Can you all tell me what this is? Can you look into it and tell me what this would be for? Anyone? I've sent it on the group also. This toy, can anyone tell me what is it for? Unmute. Any guesses? So mat yaar class mein please. मुझे नींद आएगी. कोई भी?
Ma'am,
Anna, Neha, Anurag.
ma'am,
Yes, Shivani.
is this maybe like to try and balance the thing, like by pulling, I don't know, those slides are there at the side?
Good, matlab good concept. You can make one on it, but this is not that. Okay, another guess. I need like at least 3 guesses. One more. Think. Ria, Anna.
Ma'am, spinner.
Spinner, like a lattu? Yeah, maybe, but it's not that. Chat. A top. No, no, no. That lattu, it's not that. One more guess. बोलो यार, तुम लोग को एक इमेज दे देंगे और बोलेंगे 10 चीजें लिखो. You won't be able to write only about it. Imagine. Okay. कोई मतलब कितने बच्चे हैं? 30 people couldn't guess one thing. Okay, see this picture. Do you understand anything? Okay, I will tell you. So basically this design is this game or toy is designed for teenagers to have meaningful discussions, or to not fight or to not dispute. So when they have to discuss anything in a classroom or in a in a college or anything, this disc is what is rotated like a truth or a dare thing. And each stick that you remove has 5 lines on it. Okay, so you can speak only 5 times. You cannot just talk, 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 talk. So once it rotates and it comes to me, then I have my point to say, and then it goes to the next and the point, and everyone has equal times. So 5 times more than that you cannot say on your point or your topic. So this has been used in so many colleges and universities across, and it's been tested as well, where it's helping more in making kids learn how to listen in group discussions, or as an intuitive thing where they respect each other when the opinion is coming or when they are listening to each other. And it's best because everyone is given the same chances. right? So you can think in terms of this. Another toy that I have for you is this is designed, it's called veggies, it is designed for the toddlers. So suppose you're taking your kid to the beach, okay? So this is basically where it can open up and become your gardening tool as well, or your tools at your beach, where you take your clays and put it inside, and it can still work as an instrument to give education to the child, where they know, okay, this is carrot, this is a banana, this is a turnip, this is a radish, this is apple. So this kind of toy is also working a lot in terms of kids, 5-year-old hide and seek, make believe, harvesting in my garden. For 2-year-old, it's sensory play, nature exploration, it's a shaker as well, you can put sand in it and shake. So these kind of toys, try to think in these kind of concepts more. Those days are gone of chess and Rubik's cubes, they're all old. Try to work in this kind of direction. Third is this. So this is actually a DIY thing. You know how they give you a kit and they tell you open it, there is an instruction box in it, and you combine it together and make a product. So this is all wooden animals, where the kids are given a set of things which are written, like you get in your Happy Meal, or anything where you fix these Legos or these things to make different animals every time. So with the same kind of boxes, you can just keep creating different animals by putting them in different order. So this is also a good thing, because people really believe that when you leave a kid with things, they will explore it on their own intuitively. So this is a good concept. This is highly trending right now, which is how your storybooks are connected to your app and web and to your toys. I don't know how many of you has seen that movie Despicable Me. I don't know, part 1, part 2, where there is a book and there are those 3 cats. He'll put his finger inside and they'll start talking. So it becomes really attractive for the kids to do that. So imagine if you just type a hashtag on Instagram, or just trying it, toy design or storybooks, and you will see that how the app has been intuitively done so beautifully, that when the car moves, the car is moving, creating the same sound, the plane is moving and creating the same sound. With the app, you just need to connect it and it will start working. So these kind of concepts are also working. Let's look into this one. Okay. So this kind of toys, which I mean is completely done by paper. That's it. There's nothing else which is involved in it. It's a 4-sided box with different things on each side. So just remember that whenever you are in design, or you are a design grad student, aspirant, all prototypes are made from paper only. So if you might feel like how it's we will do it in 3D modeling and all, just remember that we all do prototype for 4 years in a college of furniture or anything with paper only. So try to work with paper. It will be really good, if you can create these kind of functional things which is moving. You can see here the sunflower will travel from here to there. uh, you know you can work with gears, you can add things to it. On the top box can start rotating, and it can be functional too. So try to work in this. Another thing is this one. Okay, it's a roll. It's just a roll of a sheet which has different kinds of cuts and all, and it's very intuitively done, because roll is a play system that stimulates activities for sensory integration development. It's all about what you want it to be, meaning child and a parent are free to make up their own play scenarios. See, he can do it like this, he can fold it and go inside it. He can just be with his friends and play hide and seek with it. There are so many different ways it can be used, and it's just a sheet of paper or a foam sheet. Toys should give the child plenty of opportunities to use imagination and creativity, and the child should not worry about breaking them while exploring. And that's why this kind of toys or game has become more popular, where you don't fear the breakage of it, or will it be helpful, or how to use it. And this is working tremendously well. Just kind of see this video once to understand. Let it load. Okay. So these kind of toys, like I hope you understood. See, this just a sheet of paper which is cut in a certain way, folded in a certain way, and can be used by the kid in however many possible ways the kids want to. So the concept can be as simple and as creative and innovative, but you need to work on that. Okay. Another one is, see, this one. So this is just like Legos, but different kind. You just combine these discs again and again to form different kind of things. So see this one. So see, these kind of toys where you can just keep creating things again and again, where the kid is just combining them to make different animals, combining them to maybe make a reindeer, a giraffe, and all these kind of things. And it's a user experience wise, it is good. The wood is soft. The wood has a proper texture to it. He knows when in whichever direction he will combine it, something new would be created. So this is something really innovative that I found. These were like 2 3 things. So just remember, when we come back to this, we need to work towards toys for special need. We need to work for all kinds of age groups. Make sure you define the age of your kid so that you know what he's capable of doing or not capable of doing. And toys for education purpose, you also need to keep in mind how are you using his intuitive, sensory, and the visual things that I have shown you. I'll make sure that I send this links also, so that you can watch these things again if you need to. Also remember that you can get inspired from nature. You can make it for special needs, you can make it for education purposes. And that's what it is. When we come to the assignment now, there are 2 questions. I have sent the PDF already on the group before the class. First is, create an educational toy for KG nursery student with write-up and concept. Second is, design a toy for 8 to 10-year-old kid to encourage them to study math, science, or arts. So these 2 toy or game, whatever you want to design, needs to be submitted tomorrow by 8 p.m. Okay. I think Krishna sir is here also. So I think if he can hear us, there's an announcement he will do, and then we'll take your questions up on this.
Yeah, thank you, Rimji ma'am. I'm here. I hope everyone is doing good.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. So the 2 things which I want, one is your feedbacks are, which you can write it down in a group, or else you can talk in the sessions as well, how it is. And the most important is, which is going on, because we are, whomsoever is taking our classes for more than a month, I think 1 or 2 students have joined in this batch later on, and we are providing you backup classes. except your NID class and your student, if anyone is here. We decided our all students, though they have joined in fact in month of March and we committed for 6-week class or April, will not charge you anything for later continuous classes, which we'll have now in coming days in month of May and June. So this really hard to take decisions are, because for situation test, if we count, we have 600 to 700 students all together, around 15-18 groups on registered, and obviously 70-80% even classes are also there the whole day. At least 3-4 faculty have to take classes. So it's really very difficult to take such kind of decision, but I would really appreciate the team, even though they also having a troubles and all, but we understand all of you belong from a different places. If any kind of a such burden may not be possible to pay by your parents and you, so we decided this. The only agenda is the fulfillment of our initial fundamental idea to saying we are Ignite and we'll make sure the education awareness will reach to the maximum people. And that is what our goal is. Well, so where we all comes, when we say that Ignite is a family, Ignite we are together. Many of you are aware we send a student for internship in Arvind, Mantra. Many brands even heads are, or many of them, they support us. They come for a voluntary, the expert sessions and all. That is also great thing what we are getting it response. So same way we want even your support also, because you all are also a very core part from our team for Pahal or Ignite, because few of you are even connected with both. Few of you know only Pahal or few of you know only Ignite. So when it's come to this platform, so in a state one, we have thought not from you, but through you, we will reach to the maximum people or maybe the more people. So we will share you few links and all. The one more, the announcement is we decided earlier it was not there for you guys. Now the space for you on our app. So there are restricted content and document which we'll share, and even if we like share only for app people, so that will be seen by you. So any information, anything, class detail, messages and all that we can do it. And you are associated from quite long time. So obviously initially we want your feedback and support about the app, what you are finding it, what you are having a difficulties using that. So that will be also open for you. We'll share you the link. For that you have to fill the Google form, 1 or 2 of your photos, name, contact number, because we need to send the backend team your name and numbers so that they will add on your number. Then only you will get your OTP. Directly if you want to log in, you can't. So one thing is that. Second thing, we will share you few links recently initially which you have to go and you have to review it. Then we want some videos, photos, or story post on Instagram, Facebook you make, because you all have your own reach and people. So through you more people will know about us. So maybe from there we can generate and sustain, because such kind of a decision is really hard, but obviously we may get through your references. But at the same time, I want your true feedbacks. I may want on like, you know, the pages and all 5-star, but when it's come to the feedback, real feedback, we'll give you one format. You are from city and all this. There is no specific feedback. Okay, I love Rimjim ma'am or this, that and all. Your true feedback as your organization, or you like Vijayan sir, somebody like. So there is nothing as such I want bias thoughts. So it is not a feedback. It is just your expression and emotion. Feedback is how the class is, what you feel, where you are, how you are thinking before joining us, what you are, your thought process is right now, right? So I'll take 1 or 2 example. I'll talk few of you because I did in 2 o'clock session. That's give us a great idea. So that is how you see the entire ecosystems. So those videos, photos you make and share so that the people have a more awareness towards it, because that is overall agenda and idea is. And that is my promise based on all team decision is, whenever you have an exam, we will be always there for you. We have now set up 1-month class plan which will follow. We'll review every 2 weeks. If a student do not have more than 50%, like, you know, I believe more than 80% attendance, I will review, I'll talk to your parents. If you will have less than 50% student, we'll discontinue your classes, because you all know, most of you are attended the other classes also, you know, the most of the coaching syllabus get over in 10 to 15 days. So what you are learning is not just for your classes and coaching, it's for your life. It's like, you know, fashion lifestyle and your career. It is for your college and other purpose. And this is for only for situation test and GDPI student, not for NID and all. So be specific what we are announcing the classes are. So if you are for any other classes, this is not valid right now. We are still in discussion for about other student and batches what you are planning it. So all situation test student, I think you all, if you are writing it, if you will fill, we'll have that later. You have 1 or 2 days time. So whomsoever will fill, though a student will continue from here, ma'am will give you specific information. I want any two of you, please, one by one, unmute yourself and just say about your feedback. I just want to know 2-3 lines and we'll end this session. Yeah, I have 2-minute time. Yes, anyone? And I have to call the name. Yeah, Gyanvi. Start with Gyanvi. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So somebody from one of the faculty or someone has recommended you from the NIFT, right?
Yeah.
I'll not say your coaching name, but you are associated with some other coachings also, and that's how you get to know. And then I want only your classes. So now, how you feel in group classes? Honest feedback. You tell me what is better option.
I feel that you guys, are encouraging me to, focus more on, more on my classes. And, focus more on my goal. As you know, I'm so confused between what to do. You know about
Yeah,
it.
I know.
So I feel that your classes are really encouraging, and I'm a very lazy person, to be honest. And because of your classes, I'm actually working.
Great. I know that's what the idea is. I don't want to stop in between. I know you all need that the same pace. Somebody to call you, okay, yeah, your exam is still not done. And you have, we are getting so many orders for the kit every day. Today, 3 person came from Amazon and they took the kit. Even the half of the country is still locked down. There's no service of delivery, but still. So think how tougher your competition gonna be. Few people have orders the second time. So I see, look at the all aspects and across India student, it is very important, very important. Yes. Anyone else? Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't want to call the name. Yeah. I don't want to become biased. Anyone, please unmute yourself and finish this session.
Sir?
Yeah, Krishna. Krishna here. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Good, good.
So I wanted to say that, though I was not a part of this Pearl classes or any other, being so far from here, then too, I've learned so many things here in this. And I've got a big competition. After coming in classes, I realized that, no, there is so much competition and I need to work for it. So yeah, I learned so many things over here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I always want, and I always keep saying the mentors, your mentors are really working very hard. We always have 9 o'clock night in a meeting and that goes hours and hours for your next day class or week plan. So no doubt the behind of this, they are doing very hard work or else it is not possible. It can't seen in your work next day. When they comes, they have to prepare a lot, and we will take it forward together, everyone. I think, yes, we want to say something, but I would like to say, thank you to everyone. You all are doing good. You are improving. That's really great. Sometimes parents or students also have contacted me, and that is the what we want from you. So keep motivated. The whatever dates we see in calendar, that's in calendar. Today is the celebration. Today is your day. So enjoy the day, enjoy the moment. And enjoy means your positive vibes around you. Do not let yourself depress and confuse, because few student is asking me, sir, I heard now NIFT will take portfolio submission. So all this such kind of question once is come in a student when I said from where, are giving you all this information. So do not worry, you are in right place, right guidelines. So whatever it is, it will come to you first, that I can ensure you. And when I see confidence on your faces and when you guys are follow each and everything and working hard, I really feel good. You guys are really, I must appreciate the way you guys are working. And I'm sure you all will have a great result. And when I say you ask them if you are Indranagar students are here. When I said this batch will do good, they all have a good results. They are selected for alternative one or each college, or maybe they now NIFT and all, everybody are selected. shortlisted for second round. One student parents call me also and ask me, sir, is that everyone got the result? But I know many coaching where out of 10, 15 students in small cities, maybe one got shortlisted. So it's great to see you all here in one platform. There is no competition. That's what I'm not asking any name, anything. Do not compare with anyone. It's just our zone is different. We want to aware. We want to work together. We want to India to become more empowered and self-satisfied. Look at the Japan. Look at the China. They are sounding technology. They are more disciplined. They are more organized. So that's what we follow them. So why not we'll be become a game changer? Why not we'll follow the Kalam vision of 2020? So I have a lot of expectations from you all. You all are very energetic, very much ready for this. So that's what our aim is. And wish you all the best. I have taken 2 minutes extra, so now I'll end this session. Ma'am will continue or else. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you, Krishna sir, and thank you all of you. I'll post the details on the group. Just go with the PDF. There's an assignment at the end tomorrow by 8 p.m. Work PDF, and in the front page, please नाम डाल देना, please. काम मत करना, just add the name at least, please. Okay. Chalo, bye. See you again. Stay home and stay happy. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.